Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add Chrome apps to your organization using Google Admin Console. With this, you can control which apps are available, block unwanted ones, or even force installer for the users. First, log into admin.google.com, sign in with your admin credentials, then go to devices section and select Chrome, select apps and extensions. Here you can, in this, okay, you can see I have added YouTube. You can select users and browsers. Here also, you can select which organization you want and click the plus icon to add the application. So you can select each of these options. In this, I select Google Play Store. You can select any application from here. Now I'm selecting LinkedIn and click select. In here, you can see the installation policy. It is currently in allow install, so the users can install. We can select the option, change the option like force install. It will forcefully install the application to the users, or you can block, or you can allow install.